So yo, what's good, guys? What it do, man? For my new subscribers, was popping. You feel me? But for my real ones, for the one that been there, was good, man, for real. But yeah, man. So I wanna know how y'all doing out there, man. How's everything going on? You know what I mean? We still in this. You know what I mean? It's wild. You know what I mean? But gotta get through it, you feel me? Now they talking about some hornet, you know what I mean? Some murder hornets and shit like that, you know what I mean? Some crazy ass 3-4 inch bumblebee, well, fucking bees and shit, you know what I mean? But fuck it. But listen. So I just received a package that I wanted for a while, you know what I mean? I just want to see how it will look on my bike. I ordered, you know what I mean? I got a part for my bike, and I wanted to see how it'll fit. I never got one. I was always curious how low it will go, or if I could ride with it. You know what I mean? I got this part right here, standing crown. You know, twisted. It's official, right? But yeah, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna install it and see. I got this, and I'm gonna put a seat on it. I mean, a nice seat, cause this seat right here is a no. I mean, it looks nice. It's cool. You know what I mean? Official lowrider. You feel me? But you know what I mean? I want to ride comfortably. You know what I mean? This shit hurt my ass. You know. This is the seat I got, you know. I don't know what y'all think, man. Well, let's see, man. I'm gonna install it, see what's up. You know, I know the white make my shit pop out, but let's see this gold one. You feel me? Let's see how it's gonna turn out. You know what I mean? I'm already. So y'all already know the dealio right now. I'm about to do. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing this on today, right now. You know, with y'all. You know, installing this right now. So yeah, right now this is the this is what I got on it right now. You feel me? This is what's gonna go on it. If y'all could tell, I mean, I changed my lights in here, LED Jones. But yeah, this is what's going on right now. You know, so let's get to it. So right now I got my bike standing up on this right here. You know what I mean? I need to find something, man, to hold my bikes while I'm working on it. You know what I mean? Let me know, guys, who's out there. You know, if I can hold for this shit, kid. You know, stand on something. You know what I mean? Like a stand or something. You know, if I could work on my bikes. You know what I mean? But let me know. That's what I got going on right now. You know what I mean? I know what y'all saying. Oh, it's cool though. It's cool. Let's get this show rocking. You feel me? Alright, so I got this set up right now. You know, and gotta go back to this bullshit right now. So let's get to it. Alright, so I got done what I was doing, and this is how it came out. The extended crown, I don't really. It's cool, it's nice, but it's probably more for like a show bike, you know. And I love to ride my bikes, you know what I mean. So in a sense, look, I can't even really ride it, you know what I mean. And the bat holder, that's another story. I gotta find out how to do that shit, cause I couldn't even figure it out for real, for real. But the seat, you know what I mean? I mess with it, you know. It's alright, but I might just stay with the white one. I don't know. Y'all let me know, you know what I mean? Let me know what's good. Let me know. But yeah, this is what I got going on right now. That's what I got going on right now. Just let me know what's up. Let me know. But yeah, I might switch it back up to the regular crown. I mean, cause I'm trying to ride. I ain't trying to hit the ground. Yeah, that's it right there. That's how it's sitting right now. I really don't dig the It's nice, more for a show bike, but I might change the crown back to normal. But yeah, this is how it's looking at right now. I like it. I got the bat holder right here. That's a different story. I ain't even know how to install that for real. But I'm gonna try to doing some investigation. You know what I mean, how to do it, but that's gonna be for another video. But this is how my journey right now looking like. My baby right now looking like it's sitting too low. You know what I mean? I can't. It's gonna be too sad because it's gonna be lonely. You feel me? But don't worry, baby. I got you. I'm gonna put you back to normal. You know what I mean? I'm gonna let you sit a little bit higher. You know what I mean? You too low for me, mommy. Too low. So yeah, another reason I'm gonna take it off is turns. You see how? I don't know if you can see it. See how it's gonna hit my paint? Nah, I can't let it happen. You know what I mean? You see that? It's gonna hit it if I turn. But I like it, but not for me. You know what I mean? Not for me. You know, so maybe I heard about, I don't know if y'all know anything about slammer or anything that like it's like the middle part right here, right? But it's like a little twisty part on top that you just twist it and it drops. You twist it back up and it like pop back up. Anybody has information about them Jones, holla at me. You know, I would like to purchase one and see how it all goes. But yeah, I'm gonna switch it back to, you know, the normal one, to this one right here, the normal one. So yeah, so it looks nice. I like it. I wish it was maybe a shorter one. You know, maybe like take over inch and a half or so. But I like it. It's alright, you know. But I want to thank y'all. You know, I appreciate y'all for sticking with me right now. There's gonna be, I got more crazy projects coming through, but I'm gonna highlight y'all. You know, take care. You know, God bless. Be easy out there. You know what I mean, and stay safe, man. For real, stay safe, man. For real. And God bless y'all. Take care, man. Have a good one.